In this video, I'll show you how to hide page titles in Elementor WordPress. Let's get started. So I have in here this about page, and you can see in here the option to edit with Elementor. So we'll have that option when you still have actually head over and then install Elementor on your site. Once it's been installed, you can click on this right here. Now in here, you can see the about page, and on this about page right here is my opened Elementor editor. Now if you want to actually hide it, what you can do is you can click on the settings icon, then scroll down until you can see the option right here for page layout. It's currently on default. Now you can click on this Elementor full width, and then click on this update right here. And then once you have clicked on that update option, you should be able to see a new interface on your Elementor. And as you can see, the title has removed or has been hidden. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.